Hello everyone, welcome to Insights into Your Being. We are going to talk about self-esteem of a child today. Self-esteem is built during childhood as we gather skills and resources and learn and develop as young adults. If we are adults and if we face low self-esteem issues, the root cause of it is often in our childhood. What can sometimes get in the way of our self-esteem is having limiting beliefs. These are the I can't thoughts, which can come from the comments made in our childhood by our parents, our teachers, and the significant people whose opinions we respect. We remember these beliefs and hold them to be true even when we have the evidence in our daily life about them being contrary. For example, if you are good at dancing and if you have the belief that you can't, you will never be satisfied with your performance. Belief can also be derived from our cultures, such as people like us do not do this, we shouldn't do this. It can be difficult and very challenging because we have lived with these limiting beliefs for so long that they have become a part of our behavior. When we were very little, we learned how to feel about ourselves and about life by the reactions of the adults around us. If we have lived with people who were unhappy, who were frightened, who were guilty and angry all the time, then we have learned a lot of negative things about ourselves and about our world. For example, I can never do anything right. It's all my fault. If I get angry, I'm a bad person. Beliefs like these create a frustrating life. And what adds up to this frustration is, after we grow up, we have a natural tendency to recreate the emotional environment of our childhood. And there is nothing wrong or right about it. It is just that we have learned it that way. We also bring up our children in a similar manner. We also treat ourselves the way we were treated. We scold ourselves, we punish ourselves the same way. Observe this. We repeat the same words for ourselves. For example, it's all my fault. I'm good for nothing. I'm not good enough. This does not mean we have to blame our parents or our teachers. When they were children themselves, they were as scared and frightened as we felt in childhood. Louise Hay, in one of her books, says, we choose our parents before being born. We have chosen to come here to learn a particular lesson that will help us evolve spiritually. For that, our soul chooses our set of parents. We grow up and we usually point our fingers at our parents and blame them for bringing us up in a particular way, and really we choose them because they were perfect for what we wanted to work on overcoming. Isn't that interesting? We form our belief systems as children, and all our life attract situations that prove them to be true. Know that you can change beliefs and create new ones. So create your future. Seek help from a practitioner and get over those beliefs. Break these patterns that are formed in your childhood. Build your self-esteem today and create what you deserve and desire. Watch out for more such interesting information. Hit the like button if you like this video and do share it with your loved ones. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon next to it. That is very important so that you receive the notifications of the latest videos. Thank you so much for watching. Love yourself.